Okie dokie, so this is going to be an intro to calculus, kind of our first day, what we went through, and a recap of the three areas of calculus. This is just an intro. We're not going to look or talk about any math, but kind of what we should expect as I learn through this course and teach it to you guys. That's my whole endeavor with this. So there's three parts to calculus, and they kind of work like this. You have limits, and those branch into two different types, or ways you can use them, I guess. You have integrals, and then derivatives. And in my class, this is going to be chapter 1, which right now we're already through. Derivatives, chapter 2, 3, and 5a, so the front half of A. And integral, chapter 4, 5b, and 7. And kind of how that breaks up. So what are each of these things? A limit, from what I've learned, is just the number the number a line gets to as it gets arbitrarily close to that number, if that makes sense. It'll make sense in the next video. That's what a limit is. A derivative is the slope at one point problem. So if you have a curve, it's kind of the best way to explain it. The curve of f of x, we'll say, and it's a parabola or something like that. So, you know, it's going to look something like y equals negative x squared or something like that. And so what is the slope at this point? We don't know, but the slope would equal the derivative. And if we call this point 3, so f prime of 3, it'd equal m. So, and when we get into derivatives, we'll go on how to solve those. And then integrals is the area problem of a curvy line. So we have a graph, and we have a curve. We have point A, we have point B. That looks like a delta A and B. This is a region. Boom, boom. I have a picture in front of me. It shows a delta x. Basically what you do is, as you chop this into infinitely many rectangles, you can get closer and closer an approximation of the area. And I think it uses a symbol like that. We haven't touched on integrals yet, so that's about as deep as I can go. Hopefully that was a good intro into calculus. Thanks for watching.